In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the dramatic moments TikTok trend. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so once you're on TikTok, what you want to do is tap on the Discover tab at the bottom. And then in the search bar, you want to search for BGC drama effect. And then once you've searched that, a whole bunch of videos will pop up, and then you just want to go ahead and tap on one of them. And then at the bottom right hand corner, you can see the sound playing. Now I have it on mute, but you can go ahead and tap on the little sound icon. And then you want to go ahead and tap on add to favorites at the top. And then you can go back again. And you just want to go to where you can post a TikTok. So go ahead and tap on the plus icon in the middle of the screen. And then you'll be on the TikTok camera where you can go ahead and record your video. Now at the top, you want to go ahead and tap on sounds. And then you want to tap on favorites. And there you can see the BGC drama effect. Go ahead and tap on that. Tap on the tick mark to add it to your TikTok. Now it's added and you can go ahead and start recording your video. So you'll just have to start talking. It starts off slow and then the dramatic beat comes in roundabout over here. And then you would continue talking as that beat starts to play. And then when you're done, you can let go of the record button. And then you can go ahead and add any effects that you would like. So go ahead and tap on the tick mark. And now you can go ahead and add some text if you would like. So I'll just add some random text, tap on done. And then if you go ahead and tap on that little drop down menu, you can go ahead and adjust the volume. Now you can't adjust the volume of the original sound, but you can adjust the volume of the added sound. So that should be fine. Then tap on the tick mark. And then once you're happy with your TikTok, tap on next at the bottom right. And then you can go ahead, add a description, add hashtags, add all those settings. And then you would go ahead and post that to your profile. So that is how you can do the dramatic moments TikTok trend with the BGC sound. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.